Okay, I got it disassembled down to where I need it. I put my parts where I'd be able to find them. Now there's a little teeny pin right about in here. Don't know if you can see it or not, especially with the lighting I've got. But it holds this piece in. And this piece presses up on a spring. I don't know if I can do it here. To hold this steady. Well, in that process, somewhere, it's not holding it tight enough to keep this pin pushed forward to hit the primers right. So, got to degrease this and take care of the problem. I'm going to put a little... He used JB Weld. I've got something similar, but it's not JB Weld. Well, oh, that's got a roller there on the back of that notch. That's why that action's so smooth. Okay, I learned something. Well, I'll catch back up to you when I get to that point.